Hello followers, I'd like to start today's talk off with the topic of diffusion. Diffusion is the process in which a substance in an area of high concentration naturally flows to an area of low concentration at no energy cost. For example, I have here a glass of water and some food coloring. If I add a few drops of the food coloring to the water, it'll begin to naturally diffuse throughout the water until the entire glass is one homogeneous shade of red. This process occurs naturally without me having to stir or add any sort of outside energy to the system. Diffusion is about more than just food coloring in water, though. Diffusion plays a vital role in sustaining life. The oxygen we breathe diffuses from our lungs to the blood and from our blood to our tissues. Ions diffuse across channels in our cells to create the voltages necessary to run our nervous system. These are just two examples of many types of diffusion that are occurring within your body right now. But I'd like to move on to a more specific type of diffusion called osmosis. Osmosis is the diffusion of water across a semi-permeable membrane. First off, what is a semi-permeable membrane? A semi-permeable membrane allows some substances to pass through while blocking others. In the case of osmosis, water is allowed to pass through, but the ions and other things dissolved in water cannot. If enough of a concentration gradient is established, water will continue to flow into the membrane, causing a large internal pressure that is equal to the driving force of osmosis. This causes the membrane to swell up like a balloon and become a high energy area at no energy cost. With this information, I've decided to build myself my very own free energy machine from nothing more than a semi-permeable membrane obtained from an egg and some water. Stay tuned for my next couple video posts to see how the experiment is done.